Let us explore other important constructs in the Python programming language. The conditional statements, loops, and control flow. These concepts are fundamental to programming, and will help you make your code more efficient and flexible. Let's dive in. Conditional statements. Conditional statements allow us to make decisions in our code based on certain conditions. In Python, we use if, elif, and else statements to control the flow of our program. These statements evaluate a condition and execute a block of code if the condition is true. Let's take a look at an example.